Hi everyone, and welcome to what I'm prepping today. I think I've done another similar video, but I have more winter outerwear that I'd like to show you. Of course, this hat is just going to my grandson, who is turning 1, and his mother will have to store it for next winter since it's pretty much almost spring here. And she loves, my daughter-in-law loves Star Wars, so her son will be decked out as Darth Vader, and my grandson is just a sweetheart. He's just turning 1, and he's walking, and he just brings such a joy to our heart. And those of you who have little kids or little grandkids know exactly what I'm talking about. And this hat, since the thrift stores are wanting to get rid of a lot of the winter wear, was only 50 cents. And right here, I can show you some, these are bibs, one-piece winter wear. And this is a size 3. And I generally keep these because a lot of people think we're headed towards that grand solar minimum. But even if we're not, you don't want to be stuck without this warm winter gear if you don't have to be. So we have these in a 3. And I store them in these Sterilite modular stackers. They have a lot of different sizes, and when you get into the smaller ones, 2 of them fit very nicely on top of 1 box. I love these because they're made in the United States. They're ready available at any Wally World, and if you want some free delivery for them and to save quite a bit of money, order them online at Walmart, and then you get like 6 for the price of 4 or 6 for the price of 5, and at $12 to $15 each. That's a great savings. And then what I do is, instead of like taping a label to the outside, I'll just write on a card inside, which makes it very easy to change. And then I just slide that down in there, and for things that I do that with, I love these clear ones, but they also come in black, and the black ones are what I use to store our freeze-dried food packets in. What else I was able to get is a coat in a size 10-12 that'll fit my grandson great next year for when he needs that. And we got that for only $3 at the thrift store. And then I think I may have showed these hats before. They were 50 cents, or these are some of the ones that were in the washer the last time in the video. A Nike hat, a Columbia sportswear hat, a generic but very warm hat, and then this one we actually bought for my grandson 2 years ago, but he's finally outgrown that one, so that's going in there. And then I think I probably have a total of 3 totes now full of children's winter outerwear, and they are in my storage unit, and I love that they're all labeled and they're all neat and they'll all be stacked. And then sometimes when I have an extra couple of hours, what I'll do is I'll go over and I'll say, okay, well, there's a 3 in here. Let's take the 3 out and put it with the 2s and the 4s. And then, maybe I'll move some more of these sizes into that so that they're more streamlined. But that is how I store our winter outerwear. And even if there is no grand solar minimum, even if we aren't headed into an ice age, when my grandkids come over and they want to go sled riding, all I have to do is go to the storage unit, which is right out there, and say, here you go, let me go get you something warm to wear. Although I'm a little bit short on gloves here. So tell me, do you prep winter outerwear that your kids or grandkids have outgrown, or do you save and get some for the next couple of years? Or do you just buy it new every year? Tell me how you do it. And let me know what else you prepped today.